Ka Bharatiya Janata Party kum shibenta juga jengpen kre ya election arjar arpulai menta ka khatsan tarik urumpang arjar pulai kala pelat baik ya ka vision document ni ka manifesto jong ka party banyak khun ha ke election ban jet economic khmat saka yang dorbar thawan ka jella nakaliang national president ka BJP JP Nada ulapan pau ba ka BJP ka thmu ban bu da ki medical college hapo ka jella bat kan mangru ya ka bhah kerpang ban thung kam ban life person na ka banta ki kynthei bat ban ai san phaw hajar tingka ya ki longkmie bkha khlung kynthei na lor ki ba bon de ki mat jingkular.
Women needs to be empowered. The child needs to be empowered, and for that we have decided that we'll start and introduce a program which will be known as Kafan Noglite scheme, and this is named after the first freedom fighter from the Khasi Hills. And under this scheme, when the girl child will be born, a bond of rupees 50,000 will be provided to the girl child for the empowerment. The same way, we will, for the empowerment of the women, we will provide free education to female, to girl child from kindergarten, KG to PG, post-graduation. We will also launch a scheme called as Jugi Silchi, a support scheme. And in this support scheme, a financial assistance of 24,000 annually to all dependent widows and single mothers will be given. So those who are deprived, those who are widows, those who are single mothers, for them we have tried to see to it that their empowerment should be there and they should be brought into the mainstream, and that is why we have decided. Another aspect which we have decided is that we will be giving annually 2 LPG gas cylinders to the people, to the beneficiaries who are benefited out of the Ujjwala Yojana. That is also we have decided.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Even after so many years, Meghalaya only has one government medical college. Is this the Meghalaya we want to leave behind for our children? It's time to speak up about the issues blocking Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.
Ka jingkular ka TMC na kabenta ka Meghalaya. Ka jingpintik na ya ka laway bapranay. An ay jingarap khat arajar tingka shisnam shaman na kilong yeng jong ki khinna ki bapuliya ki school sarkar na markata ka TMC kan ay shilak tali ki laptop shabaro ki higher secondary bar ki khinna puli college ban krishan ya ka puli puthi ka baminta
hakane ka apnyo trek urumpang shan ya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sentil bat krishan ya ka Meghalaya TMC